Hi traders, so as you may see, I am on the top of the mountain and you should be the top of your trades too, so let's just do that. But I will help you with this journey and I will help you with a really interesting topic in today's video, and this will be news trading. Now, I know news traders are mostly losers because they lack knowledge and they are not careful and not cautious with the market. So in this video series that I start, I will talk about news trading and all the aspects and technical stuff about it. And I think it will be very useful for you, and especially if you are a beginner, because almost all beginners lose money with news trading. So I will teach you some tips and tricks how to ride the markets and be the man. So the first type of news trading is economic data trading. Now, here comes the question: what is news trading? News trading is when you trade economic events or elections or every kind of fundamental analysis. Now, in this video, I will talk about the first type of news trading, which is economic data trading. Economic data trading is one of the hardest of all because you have to be very, very careful of the data that you are using. So basically, what you have to do is open an economic calendar. Now, in this calendar, you will find every kind of tools and news events to predict what will the market do in the future when the next news event will come out. But be careful because there are many types of news events. There are low impact and high impact news events. So basically what you have to do is just focus on the high impact news events. In these economic calendars, you can search for the high impact news events directly. So you don't have to look at the low impact ones, so you won't be as confused as you would be. So just look for these high impact ones. There are maybe 2 or 5 of these high impact economic data in a week. So you don't have to trade every day all day, just just every hour. You can rest, you can eat, you can sleep, and you can make love, because that is really important in life. So you are a trader, you are a human being. So just focus on these things too. Don't be a moron. When these high impact news events occur, there are a few options as you can trade them. So the first is when basically in the economic calendar you will see 3 values. First, you will see the previous value of the news. You will see the prediction that the experts agreed on, and then you will wait as a wild animal, and you will wait for the actual number that will be the current number of the economic data, and you will catch it if you can. But if you can't, you will lose all your money. So you have to be really just as a wild animal in the markets, and you have to be in focus. So just wait for the news event and take the trigger and trade. But there are dangers. Basically, the most dangerous thing in news trading is spread, because spread will kill you. Because as these actual number come out, spreads will be as high as hundreds of points or pips. So basically the problem is that you will lose even if you triggered at the right point. So I don't recommend this kind of trading form. This kind of trading form in news trading, where you trigger, you wait, you focus, and you trigger a trade when the actual news come out. The problem is that the lack of knowledge and carefulness kills news trading, because most traders think that it's a scam, or it is not trading, it is gambling, but it is not true. It is not harder than any of the other forms of trading. It is just as difficult, but you have to be really careful and don't listen to the scammers and the bullshit artists on the market. So this was the first episode of this video. I hope you found it interesting and helpful, and I see you in the next videos. Ciao.